In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AI Assistant in Adobe Acrobat. The AI Assistant is built right into Acrobat to help you understand, summarize, and explore your documents without leaving the app. You can use it in the desktop application, in your web browser, or on the mobile app, and the overall flow is the same across platforms. Begin by opening Adobe Acrobat on your device and let it load to the home screen. You may see the feature labeled as AI Assistant or Generative AI, depending on your version, but both names point to the same capability. The idea is simply to get to the Assistant interface so you can start a guided conversation with your content. From Home, look for the AI Assistant entry point. If it's not obvious, open All Tools and scan the list to find it. You can also use the search inside All Tools to jump straight there. This is where you'll launch the experience that connects your questions to the documents you care about. Next, add files to the collection you want to chat with. You can choose a single file when you're focused on one document, or select multiple related files when you want the assistant to consider them together. If you already have a PDF open, the assistant will attach itself to that specific document automatically, which is perfect for deep dives into a report, brief, or contract. Pick the materials that matter for your task and continue. Once your file is open, you'll see pre-populated suggestions you can click, or you can type your own question into the text field. Keep your request clear and specific for the best results. You might ask for a concise summary, a list of key takeaways, an explanation of a complex section in simpler terms, or a pull of important dates and definitions. If the first reply isn't quite what you need, refine your question, add context, or narrow the scope rather than starting over. After you submit, the AI will process your request and return an answer with citations that link back to the exact passages in the source document. Click a citation to jump to that section and confirm the context. You can keep the conversation going with follow-up questions to clarify, compare sections, or drill deeper. If you prefer a cleaner view, you can hide sources, and when you're ready to share or save your work, you can copy the chat and paste it wherever you need. As with any AI output, take a moment to review the response and make sure it aligns with your document and your goals. That's the workflow. Open Acrobat, find the AI Assistant, add your files or open a PDF, start interacting, and review answers with citations. Give it a try to streamline your reading and research.